Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this Hercules 12 volt compact screwdriver. This is their 12 volt line. Now I got a lot of tools in their 20 volt line, and the 12 volt line I have too, but it's very small. There's not many tools in that line at all, but I do like them because they're really light. I mean, if you look at some of the specs here, this is 1.7 pounds, so it's pretty light. And I bought this, like, if you just wait long enough, Harbor Freight will always have a sale or a coupon on it. And actually this one was, buy the 12 volt tool, which is still going on until the end of this month at the time of this video. And then you get a free battery with it. Yeah, that battery's really small in it. The other ones I got are actually 4-hour amp, and this is a 2. So we're going to unbox it. Instructions. Oh, that is really small. I do got a 20 volt in this. Actually, that's actually a skill, not a Hercules. I got this little clip. Alright, we'll put that on later. So the clip goes on there. With the little screw. Okay, now we'll open up this battery. And I really enjoy this Quinn scissors. Some of these packages, sometimes are really tough to get open. That's all I got this. Use most for his Quinn scissors works. I buy a lot of tools. Probably too many. But can a guy ever have enough tools? And there's a battery indicator. So it's a little charged. Looks like it has 2 speeds. Forward, reverse. Yeah, this is really light. And the type of bit you put in this. Well, actually, it's Amazon Basic. It's not Harbor Freight. Those are the bits you put in these things. You pull that back like that, put in there, pull it back out again. So where would you use something like this? Well, put together some furniture. Obviously, you probably don't want to drive 300 or 400 screws with it. That's it. Hercules 12 volt compact screwdriver. Pick it up at Harbor Freight. Thanks for watching.